There's some more real sibling name pairings that parents have submitted to my sibling name research project. More about that at the end, but we'll just jump into the names. So Mara and Remy, Rosalie and Riley, Dominic and Shelby, John and Samantha, Ren and Zinnia, Clover and Arlo, Adelaide, August and Penelope, Ella, Bridget and Finn, Genevieve and Jacob, Adrian, Camilla, Catherine and Anthony, Linda, Shane, Brendan and David, Violet and Daphne, Clara and Mara, James and Cody, William, Braden, Micah and Flora, Maggie and Billy, Molly, Matilda and Olive, Hudson, Camden and Graham, Alice and Adam, Duncan and Darby, Mason, Thatcher and Tanner, Cadence, Cassius and Cruz, Bryn and Roland, Arthur and Joan, Leah and Laura, Montgomery and Sandy, Remy and Jack, Kaylin and Jason, Nash and Claire, Evelyn and Heidi, Claire, Elena, Samuel, Finn and Lucy, Lindsay, and Catherine. So I've been collecting real sibling name pairings from parents who just submit it on a form. My theory with all of this is you can start to predict what somebody's going to name their next baby based on the names they've given their previous babies. So I've been collecting this data, and I'm also building, or I've mostly built this model where you can type in a name and it'll spit out every single name that a parent, if they've used that name that you typed in, all the other names parents who have used that name have also given their other children, if that makes sense. So it's like 90% built out, which is crazy. It's technically a functional tool right now. There are just like a few hiccups I need to figure out how to troubleshoot. So I built it using the spreadsheet and then JavaScript, which I don't know JavaScript. I know how to do very limited things on JavaScript now because of this project. So I've been going through courses trying to like figure out how to make it do exactly what I want to do, because I want to make it so you can like toggle boy names or girl names, but that means I have to categorize everything. So when I push it out into the world, it's probably not going to have that yet, but that's like 2.0. We'll have that. So it's still a work in progress. I started learning how to do this, like actually build it back this past fall. And when I started this, like, this is impossible. I'm not going to know how to do this, but now it's like technically a functional tool that I'll be able to share with all of you guys in the next 10 days, I think. And if you want to submit your kids' names, you can just click through the link on my profile and it will take you to the submission form.